everyone, welcome back to One Things Live Out of the Box with you guys again, Ayushi here. So, I'm sorry, so you must be thinking what I am doing here and why I am doing this video, where am I? So, welcome again once to my mama's kitchen. So, I'm going to share not a recipe but kind of like felt that why shouldn't I share this video, because for the first time my mother gave me responsible to cook for everyone, that for lunch, because our housework is going, so no one is going to get time to make food. So since I am there, so she said me to cook the food, and very simple, not very special recipe. Simple only I'm going for the lunch, but I thought that since lockdown started, so I think besides studies and YouTube, why shouldn't I do something different? So I said okay, to help mothers, no problem. And even during COVID times, we should not buy something food from outside. It is not safe, even it is not hygienic to have it. So I am going to not to share a recipe, but I'm going to tell you how I will make a food. I made. So it's already I think 11:30, and now I have to boil the rice, and I'm going to make a bhindi ka sabji. Since I'm from a girl from Odisha, from where the food is famous, so if Odia people can get to know that during summers the most famous food is water rice. In the Odia we say I like telling. It's like little awkward here now. So I'm going to do that, and bhindi ki sabji or aloo ki sabji will see. It's very simple.
So I took a 2 full of bowl of rice, and then remember guys, once you just when you just go for rice boiling, wash this rice properly, because it is very important to wash, because at the present situation you have to wash everything properly. If it is in your house also, wash it properly. And I washed that rice 6 times, I think 3 times with like water, and then from 3 times by the normal aquaguard water. So wash it properly, so that all the germs or whatever will be go out. So don't become lazy in washing it. So wash it properly, and then you go for boiling the rice. When it's time,
salute to all the mothers, guys. It's so tough. I'm like dying over here. And my mother is like, clean and do, clean and do, clean and do, clean and do, clean and do. Take revenge now. A simple question to everyone. कौन सा सब्जी बहुत रुलाता है? बहुत रुलाता है भैया, बहुत रुलाता है. Now it's time to cry for me. I get upset of this song nowadays. ना रुलाता है यार सब्जी काटते समय, वही चीज़ मुझे बहुत गंदी लगती है. A simple question to everyone. कौन सा सब्जी बहुत रुलाता है? बहुत रुलाता है भैया, बहुत रुलाता है. Now it's time to cry for me. I get upset of this song nowadays. ना रुलाता है यार सब्जी काटते समय, वही चीज़ मुझे बहुत गंदी लगती है. No happiness when you just cook for your family, but here we are going to miss my dad. When you will see this video, I think he will tell कि पापा आते तो कुछ नहीं करती है, मम्मा को ज़्यादा प्यार. Okay, so I'll also make for you one. I made so many dishes and like paneer ki sabji, macaroni, pasta. So I've done lot for him. Don't tell me, don't blame me. See, don't blame me. You will compare like.
Since it is a summer season, I think mango is the special fruit.
He loves mother a lot more than me. So like that only. But I have made so many dishes for him. Like I said, paneer ki sabji, two paneer ki sabji I made, and I made chocolate cake for him and for my parents and their anniversary last year in the lockdown. I made them for. I'll talk to you later, guys. So yeah, I was telling that once in your life at least you should cook for your family, and you should learn also how to cook, because at least once in your life the time will come, the situation will come where you have to cook. Might come or not come, but you should learn how to cook. And lockdown again started, so again dalgona coffees, again gupchup, everyone's going to start. So but I'm going to try something different if I get time, because I already started with my 12th where I have to focus, because next year we have a NEET and YouTube, so it's some time of very begged, but I'll try to make few dishes and I'll give to my dad to try it. I know, because he will tell it could test. If I give it to mother, she will tell no. Every mother's a woman, we can't help it out, guys. But guys, remember, once at least you should make something and you should like give to your parents just for a laugh. they will love it. Might make a tea or something, but just make something for them. It was quite easy dish and nothing very special, but since the housework is going, so the responsibility given to me, and I did a good job. I hope so, but I did myself, so I don't know. So aloo ki sabji done and others and mangoes are there. So it's like a quite very simple food in the lunch, not very fancy. So hope so you like this video, guys. I just felt like to share with you. So hope so you enjoyed with me, and heads up to all the mothers. And even not like that, only girls should learn, not only women should learn how to cook, even men should also learn how to cook. So I hope so. I'm coming with the next video again, something very interesting, and hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Till that, stay at home, and whatever you want to have, just make it in the home and have, rather avoiding the outside food, guys, for the right now situation in our country. So see you in the next video, guys. Till that, have a good day and keep doing hard work. See you in the next video. Namaste and keep smiling, everyone. Bye. Good morning, everyone. I'm sorry for the sound, and so it's the second clip, guys. आज मैं भिंडी की सब्जी कर रही हूँ. कल एक्चुअली आलू की सब्जी करनी पड़ी. बाद में भिंडी की सब्जी मतलब भिंडी भैया ने लाया, तो तब तक आई थिंक लेट हो गए थे, तब तक आलू की सब्जी बन चुकी थी. आज भी मैं खाना बना रही हूँ, चावल की, फिर भिंडी की सब्जी बना रही हूँ आज, और आई थिंक भैया को चिकन करेंगे, बट मुझे जाता नहीं है, नॉनवेज आइटम जाते नहीं है. तो फिलहाल आज भिंडी की सब्जी बनती है. आज तो मैंने पूरा वीडियो की नहीं है, क्योंकि एक छोटी सी मैं सोची, एक्चुअली डिसाइड भी नहीं की थी कि मैं आपको दिखाऊं या ना दिखाऊं सेकंड क्लिप वाला. तो मैं सोची क्यों ना दिखा पाऊँ आप लोग, तो छोटा सा एक क्लिप मैंने कर लिया. पर इट्स नॉट लाइक मैं सोच रही थी कि ऐसे पे डालूँगी, ऐसे कुछ करूँगी. तो ऐसी मेरी बात की 2 दिन से खाना बना रहे घर में और सबको पसंद आ रहा है. तो ये सबसे खुशी की बात है कि हमारा हाथ का बना हुआ खाना सबको पसंद आ रहा है. चलिए बाद में नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं.
La 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 la